Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use the trigger links in GoHighLevel. So we are going to create different types of trigger links and we are going to send the trigger links in the email. Just like this, you will see an example of the trigger links that I have sent in this email. So I have created a simple workflow in which when someone fills up this form, it is going to send an email to the customer. And in this email, I'm going to add trigger links. So when someone clicks on these trigger links, it will open those pages and we can monitor the performance of the trigger links. So here you can see the performance of the trigger links, how many people have clicked. And we are also going to create a small workflow in which when someone clicks on the trigger link, you are going to send another email. So we will learn how to use the trigger links in the workflow. So let's see how does this work. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the GoHighLevel and I'm using a dummy sub account to show you how the trigger links work. So in the left hand panel, you will see the option marketing. Click on marketing. And on the marketing, you will see the option trigger link. So if you click on it, you will see a drop down, click on links. And now we are going to create some trigger links. So right now there are no trigger links. So I'm going to create a new link. Click on add link. And let's name the link. So whatever name you want to assign for this particular link, you can assign the name for this link. So I'm going to name it as need a demo. So this will be a trigger link. And here you can enter the URL where you want the visitor to go after clicking the link. So I'm going to add a URL here. So this is the link that I have added, and when someone clicks on it, it is going to redirect them to one of the pages on my website. Let's click on save. So this is one trigger link that I have created. Let's add one more. So you can add multiple trigger links. So I'm going to add another one. Let's say YouTube channel. So this is the name of the trigger link and I'm going to add the link to the YouTube channel here. So when someone clicks on this link, it will open the YouTube channel. Let's click on save. All right, so we have created two different links. Now we can use these links in SMS or in the email. So in that case, what you can do, you can create a workflow, and when you send the email to the customer, you can use these links in the email. So let's go to the automation. I'll show you how I have created. And here you will see some workflows that I have created. So I'm going to use this workflow. This workflow is about the form submitted. So when someone fills up the form, it is going to trigger this workflow. The name of the form is sample form. I'll show you the form also. Now this is how this workflow works. When someone fills up this form, it is going to send an email to the customer and it is going to create an opportunity. In previous video, I have shown you how to create and use the opportunities and pipelines in GoHighLevel. So I'm using the same workflow. I have added email here. And this is the sample email. It will be sent to the customer and this is the content of the email. So I'm going to add the trigger links in this email. So this is a question I'm asking and I'm going to add the trigger link here. So this is the text which will be linked to the trigger link. So I am going to click on the link and here you will see the list of the trigger links that I have created. So I'm going to select this one. Need a demo, that will be linked to this particular text. Click save. If you want to add the trigger link directly, you can also add the trigger link directly. You can simply click on it and use the link here, so it will be shown there. So I'm going to add another trigger link here. So this is the text. I'm going to select the text and I'm going to use the link and select the second link, the second trigger link, and click save. All right, let's save. So when someone fills up the form, it is going to send this email, and in this email I have used the trigger links. So let's see, I'm going to save this workflow. Let's go back. Let's go to sites and I have the forms here. So I'll show you the form. So this is the form. All right, now let's click on integrate and copy the link or open the link of the form. So this is the form. When someone fills up this form, it is going to send the email with the trigger links. All right, let's close this one. Let's go back. All right, now let's try this one. So I'm going to fill up the form here. All right, so I'm going to send it. All right, so the form has been submitted. All right, so here you can see that I have received the email, and in this email I have got the trigger links. So if I click on this link, it will lead me to the website page. All right, so you can see that it has opened the page. And if I click on this link, it will go to the YouTube channel link that I have used as the trigger link. So you can see that it has opened the YouTube channel link. So this is how you can send the trigger links in the email. If you want to send it in the SMS, you can use that in the SMS also. Now let's go back and let's go to marketing and go to trigger links. We have 2 trigger links here. And if I go to analyze, you will see the analytics. So here you can see the statistics of the trigger links, how many links are clicked and which link is clicked. Now, if you want to create workflow using trigger links, you can create a workflow also. So let's go to automation, go to workflows and click on create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a new one. Click on start from scratch. All right, now let's name it as trigger link workflow. Now, first you will need to select the trigger, and for the trigger you're going to select a trigger link is clicked. So when someone clicks on the trigger link, it is going to follow the workflow. If you want to add filter, you can add filters such as which trigger link is clicked. So if this trigger link is clicked, it is going to follow this workflow. If you select this option, it is going to follow the workflow when this trigger link is clicked. If you want, you can just remove the filter and you can use the if else. So when any trigger link is clicked, it is going to follow this workflow. So I'm not going to use any filter here. Click save. So I'm going to add wait for, let's say, 1 minute. And from here I'm going to select trigger link is clicked. So we have added a wait action for both the trigger links. Click save action. We are going to wait for 1 minute, and after that let's search for if else. And for the first branch, I'm going to select need a demo trigger link. Now here you need to select event, and under events click on trigger link clicked, and trigger link is need a demo. So this is the branch for need a demo trigger link. Click on another branch. We are going to add a new branch that will be for the second one, that is YouTube, and again select events, trigger link is clicked, trigger link is YouTube channel. Click save. So we have got 2 different branches here, and in this branch we are going to create a workflow for this particular trigger link, and in this branch we are going to create a workflow for this particular trigger link. Let's consider that if someone clicks on this trigger link need a demo, you want to send another email or you want to send SMS to the customer. So in that case, you can create that workflow under this branch. So this is how you can use the trigger links in the workflow. So first you will need to send the trigger links to the user using email or using SMS. Once they click on the trigger link, you can create workflows for the trigger link. You can also monitor the statistics of the trigger links. So this is how you can use the trigger links in GoHighLevel. That's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.